Hello everyone and welcome to my class, Start Your Own Business from Scratch course. Now, you probably know me, my name is Sergey, and if you haven't known me, this is time for me to introduce myself. First of all, I teach over 50 classes on Udemy itself and I have nearly 100,000 students. And another thing about me, I love wearing my sunglasses. Now, let's get started with my class, which is how to get your business started fast and how to do it well. This course itself is going to teach you the basics of starting your own home business from scratch, fast, easy, locally, and you don't have to do much in order to get started. This course is going to be right for you if you want to make extra money, if you want to start your own business, and to be your own boss. If you said yes to any or all of those questions, this class is right for you. So I actually challenge you to join me in this course itself. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the inside.